Hey you guys, really quick, I have a run deal for you guys for Albertsons, Safeway, and Vons. So they have something called like weekend specials and Friday only specials. So I'm going to share with you guys the Friday only. So the Planters peanuts, these guys are 2 for $5, and there's $1 back on 2 for Ibotta. So that makes these 2 for $4. You're also going to get bonus points when you submit to Fetch Rewards. So that's a really good deal on peanuts. And then I also picked up a 16 pack of the Signature Select barbecue baby back ribs. So these are on sale for $5. This is a Friday only special. So that's a nice little deal for a packaged thing of ribs. And then the best deal you guys are gonna snag this week is a 5-count bag of avocados for $1.95. So if you have an Albertsons, run, because this is an awesome deal. You guys, I got 10 avocados for under $4. So this is a killer deal. So definitely go and head to your local Albertsons, Safeway, whatever affiliate you have for Safeway, and go and get these deals. So this is awesome. So I will talk to you guys very soon.